Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you purchase latest iPhone 16, no matter 16 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. So how to improve battery life? In this video, we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all open here setting. Inside the setting, we can check here first of all display and brightness. Display and brightness application related feature is not available here. We can go back here and enter the general, scroll down. So here one of the options is displaying background app refresh. You tap here and look at this here. Allow apps to refresh their contents when Wi-Fi or cellular background. Turning off apps may be helped to preserve battery life. If you on this one, if you disable this one, so now you're not consuming too much battery if you're not using the application. Always we use a specific application open and close, but now the application is a close, still my battery is consuming for this particular application because of every moment new update it's coming. So that point of view, we don't need to use or we don't need to update coming from every second we use, and that's it. So this is one of the best tips and tricks. You off this one and save your battery of iPhone 16 Pro, Pro Max or any other iPhone. You can apply these tips and tricks, and after that you can receive the good feedback and improve your battery life. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.